Every student deserves a fair chance to learn, to dream, and to succeed, no matter their abilities. But for some, the path to education isn't equal.
Meet a 21-year-old student from City College of Calapan. He's taking a Bachelor of Science in Information System. He loves programming and excels in his studies. But behind his success, he is facing daily challenges. He was born with cerebral palsy.
Base po sa doktor, ang aking condition po ay cerebral palsy po. Yung pong mga muscle ay naninigas din. Hindi po makontrol ng utak ang muscle and yung movement ay hindi po din makontrol. Then, pati po yung pagsasalita.
His condition affects his right-handed speech, yet his determination remains strong. He dreams of becoming software developer to prove that disability is not an ability.
He struggles to join activities, coding tasks, and oral recitation, not because he lacks his skills, but because the system lacks support.
Kanina po, dun sa room nyo, pumunta po kami doon, di po ba? Kinausap po namin kayo. Nakita po namin na marami po mga computer doon. Nahihirapan po pa kayo sa paggamit? Ano po yung specific na difficulty po na naranasan?
Ay pagtatype po.
Pagtatype.
Dahil po isa po yung kamay kong nagagamit.
Active.
There are no assistive tools like speech-to-text software or one-handed keyboard.
Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 1 to 10. Gaano po kabilis kayo mag-type?
Lang po, mga 5.
5 po. Kasi po ako talaga, kahit yung ko, mahirap pa rin kahit sa mga cellphone nga po. So, nakakahanga naman po na gano'n. Tapos, ang program po na kinuha nyo pa ay talagang programming. So, ang inyo pong nahihirapan kayo is yung pagtatype po ng mabilis.
Okay.
So, yung sa speaking nyo po, sa speech nyo, saan po kayo nahihirapan po?
Minsan po hindi ko po mabanggit ng maayos yung aking tatabihin. Bigla na ako titigil at nahihirapan ilabanggitin yung salitang gusto kong nasabihin.
These barriers affect not only his grades, but also his confidence and emotional well-being. Without proper support, talented students like him face the risk of dropping off. Their dreams are limited by the things that can be changed.
That's why our advocacy Breaking Barriers aims to promote inclusive education for students with cerebral palsy.
What kind of help, ano naman po yung nais mo or sa palagay mo po na tulong na pwede pong maibigay ng school para mas makapag-aral ka po ng maayos?
Yung una po ipalagay ko yung mga kahit konting financial and mga kagamitan pang school.
Our goal is to create a supportive learning environment through assistive technology, teacher training, and awareness. Well, we propose 3 main activities to make this vision real. Provide tools like one-handed keyboards and speech-to-text software to help students in programming and writing tasks. Distribute materials that explain disability rights and promote empathy and peer support, guided by laws like Republic Act 7277 and CHED Memo number 23, Series of 2021.
The main beneficiaries are students with disabilities, especially those with cerebral palsy.
Faculty members will gain new skills in inclusive teaching, while classmates learn empathy and respect.
This advocacy helps build a community where everyone belongs.
Together, we can make education accessible for all.
Because inclusion is not just about helping, it's about believing that everyone has the right to learn and to be heard.
As Helen Keller once said, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Let's break barriers and build bridges towards inclusive education.
Inclusion begins with awareness,
And it grows with understanding.
and it succeeds with action.
We stand for equal opportunities for every learners.
No student should be left behind.
Because everyone deserves a chance to shine.
Let's break barriers and build bridges for more inclusive education!
Ito, ano po yung mensahe nyo dun sa mga classmate nyo or mga student po na kagaya nyo po? Special.
Ay ano po, ay sa ano po ay kailangan mag-focus lang po tayo sa totoong buhay.
Tama.
And hindi natin dapat pansinin yung physical natin. Dahil hindi natin ito kasalanan, then hindi natin ang ginusto. Kailangan lang natin tanggapin.
Tama. Thank you po, Kuya Jeffrey. Talaga meron kami natutunan po sa inyo. Ano po? Talaga tuloy lang po. Tuloy lang po ang ating buhay.